AMG Quality Services introduces the OEMS designed to amaze GPT models, a revolutionary system that transforms complex tasks into effortless processes. Our cutting-edge advanced GPT models handles intricate tasks with ease. From generating detailed product inspection reports to reviewing material test reports, the OEMS designed to amaze eliminates manual cross-referencing and document preparation. This system streamlines operations, allowing your team to focus on what truly matters. Need to compare data against material specifications or industry standards? The OEMS designed to amaze system ensures precision and compliance, saving valuable time and effort. Our system guarantees that your operations meet international standards, providing peace of mind and reliability in every report. Our system adapts to your workflow, offering seamless generation and export of reports in formats that suit your organization's needs. It's as easy as attach the document and the OEMS will do this task for you. Because excellence should be effortless. Experience the future of quality, health, and safety operations with AMG Quality Services, where innovation meets simplicity. The OEMS system, designed to amaze.